All right, everyone. Today I'm gonna open up the Brushless Circular saw right here by Ryobi. This is the best circular saw they make for the 1+ series. You know, the one that we've been reviewing a lot of. So I did have the original circular saw that came with the kit. That was horrible. I sold it when I was in Aransas Pass. As you can see, I can't wait to get into this thing and just get a good feel for it even. Yeah, that's pretty good. Feels nice. It's got a light on it. I was hoping it would have had a laser, but let's see, what do we have in here? Instruction manual, nothing else. Hey, I'm Jay. I like tools, batteries, electric vehicles, stuff like this. And I am currently trying to work on an electric boat project that has some twists and turns in it, but stay tuned for all that. All right, remember the reverse threads. And there should be a lock on here, I would imagine. Yep. Right here. Oh, I went the wrong way. Ow. But yeah, that seems like the best way to do it. So I guess without hurting ourselves anymore, and I already hurt my thumb a little bit, I'm pretty sure we're good to go. This isn't like the, you know, one thing I noticed anyway, is just that the Allen wrench here, you know, it just doesn't fit in there super tight. I think we'll be fine. What's the RPM of this thing? How fast? How many turns is this thing making? Does it say on the box? It says brushless, improved motor performance and life. Longer motor life. More speed, more torque, more durability. And of course a brushless motor will be that, because it's basically computer controlled versus relying on the brushes. Brushes wear out. And this is just a much more efficient way of doing a motor. But what do we have for specs on this? It says no load speed is 3,800 RPM. So without a load, the fastest it's going to turn is 3,800 RPM, which I think is somewhat slow. We can do a beveled cut with it. Weighs 6.6 pounds. It says brushless motor provides longer runtime, more power, and longer motor life. LED light illuminates the cut line. Full-size 7 1/4 inch blade for maximum capacity and blade variety. Spindle lock for quick and easy blade changes. 24 tooth thin kerf carbide tip blade for fast clean cuts. That's the blade that is included. It's compatible with lithium plus HP batteries for even better performance. Now they're just trying to sell the other batteries, like the 6 amp hour one, the 3 amp hour one, and the 9 amp hour one, which is just an upgraded cell. A lot of the cells that they had in all the old batteries were, I mean, I think they were even manufactured as early as like 2010. So they were in desperate need of an upgrade. As you notice, probably among a lot of other tool brands, you'll see upgraded battery packs as well. Milwaukee's even selling something as huge as like a 12 amp hour battery. I mean, this really seriously, guys, opens it up for the hobby stuff. Right? Anyway, hobby, you know, building your own electric stuff and being able to use like these types of batteries just would make it a lot simpler for some smaller projects like electric scooters and bikes and little personal watercraft or something like this, you know. Let's see, grip zone, over mold with improved micro texture for optimum grip and user comfort. 0 to 56 degree bevel cut capacity allows users the ability to cut the most common and complex angles. Yes. I don't know. Overall, like just at first glance here, it seems to be pretty strong. I don't know. I don't have anything to say about it that would be negative. All I know is that I've used a couple different saws before and wasn't super impressed. I used the rigid brushless one, I believe, not too long ago, and I thought that was okay. But it is a necessary tool that needs to be on the boat that we build and we go do the Great American Loop with. I definitely want to have a skill saw, and I have a skill saw that requires a cord, but the cord keeps getting cut. I don't know if you guys got this problem at all, but I do. It's like, hey, we got a cord. Let's cut it, or let's set the saw down like right near it, and you know, stuff like this. I don't know. I got it that way. The cord was cut by somebody else, and then I fixed it, and then I cut it or pulled it. And, you know, it's just been going back and forth. It was about time that I got a saw that does not require a cord. If you know me, I hate cords. I despise them greatly. And whenever I have an opportunity to not use a cord, that's the way I want to do it. Let's go tear some stuff up with this. All right, guys, here's the deal. We're going to test this thing out, do a couple small little cuts on a 2x4 to see what we think. And I know I should be wearing safety glasses. Stink. All right, much better. Well, not much better because I can barely see through this thing. But, okay, so very much that first cut, just really the impression I got on this was that it's definitely something we could use. I don't know about for like a really long cut. But I suppose if you hold it in position, you know, let's see. Well, that's pretty powerful. I'm surprised. Just able to carve into this thing like no problem. That's impressive. pretty sure this is a good saw and worth the $120 that it costs. I was using the 6 amp hour lithium HP battery. Yeah, I still haven't tore into one of these batteries yet to see what I think of them. But either way, first impressions are good. I think you'll be able to use this a lot. I know I'm going to be able to use it a lot. I can tell already. Smooth, straight cuts, plenty of power. All right. So I decided to go have at it on the table here and just break it all down into little pieces. Went clear through a nail or a screw I think. Wow. I don't know if you can see the fine detail on that. Looks pretty cool. Thought I'd share it with you and let you know that I didn't even notice it. That's how good that saw is. Just cut right through it like a breeze. Anyway, after a little bit of use, I have to say this thing is pretty good. Can't wait to use it on some real jobs I got to do, other things like that. But this is definitely great. It completely replaces a corded scale saw, circular saw. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.